graphite. So we're going to now do part 2 on the electrochemistry reaction experiment for chemistry 1412. We've gathered our materials. We just need a solution for nickel plating. You can see this is a solution. It has nickel in it. The exact details of that you don't need to know. It just is a nickel solution. We're going to pour that into our 50 milliliter beaker, and then we have here already connected the copper to the negative electrode. You can see the negative electrode is marked on here. We have the black wire going to there, and then the red is for the positive. I think I got that right. And then we have our graphite electrode put in on the positive terminal. So we need to get around 40 milliliters. It's just approximate, so we'll just get it up to the beaker marking. Alright. This particular copper solution has a nice greenish color to it. Some copper solutions have a nice pretty bluish color to them. We have set the DC power supply to 2 volts again. You want to see the voltage there. Now we'll go ahead and put in the electrodes, being careful not to touch them together. That wouldn't be good. Into the solution, and we'll let you guys see the reaction start. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and come back after a little bit. Gonna let the reaction go for a while, a couple of minutes, and then we'll come back and show you the final results for part 2. Okay, we're ready. We're to go ahead and take the electrodes out. So remember, the red has the graphite and the black electrode has the copper. Now if you look here, if you look on the edge here, you can see that something has changed on the copper electrode. You can't really see much on the graphite, which was the positive electrode. It tells you in your book to presume that there was only oxygen generation on the positive electrode. So you wouldn't expect to see anything, but if you go back to the copper, you can see we go ahead and have something in there. All right. So go ahead and mark your observations, perform your analysis on that, and that's what you need for part 2 of electrochemistry.